Hi, so today I have a new product for you. It is a microwave that I got for my nephew from Walmart. You open it up. I've already opened it up, so it's easy to do. Open it up, it's pretty easy to use. So here is a close-up of the microwave. As you can see, it has a little screen right here to tell you the time as it will take to make the products you put in here. Alright, so this comes with a hamburger that you can spin around and take out like play food. And on the side it has buttons, one hot dog, a pizza, a chicken, a burger, coffee, popcorn, and a start button, so you can act as if it is an actual microwave. It's fairly easy to use, and I'm sure my nephew will get a lot of fun out of it. This comes with the own microwave, the plate that's inside, the hamburger patty, and the 2 buns just for you to play with. Alright, so we're going to start this up.
Wow, look at the food turn.
Yeah.
Like a real microwave.
Almost.
This is all I do. And there's even a little I guess an LED timer.
Yeah.
On the front.
It's all done. I love that it actually turns and times the food. Kids just love to do anything where you can pretend to be something. So in this case, you could pretend to cook, pretend to be a cook, and pretend to make food. So for this microwave, it comes with 3 AA batteries, which are in fact included in this product. It is very easy to use, and you can use any sort of fake food or plastic food that you have at home to put in here and act as if you're actually microwaving it.
Yeah, I guess you could even use real food if you wanted to.
You could, but that'd be kind of messy. I wish I had one of these when I was a kid, but I think my nephew will have more fun with this since he enjoys pretending to cook. Alright, so that's the Spark, Create, and Imagine microwave from Walmart. This is a very cheap buy and won't hurt your wallet. Thanks for watching.